for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the history of criminal investigation.
Way back to 1847 to 1915, Dr. Hans Grass was the earliest advocator of criminal investigation as a science interested in investigation while serving as an examining magistrate. He became a professor of criminology at the University of Vienna. He is also recognized today as the father of criminalistics or forensic science. While Flaviano Guerrero is the only Filipino member of the United States Federal Bureau of Investigation or NBI. Take note, the evolution of criminal investigation is closely similar with the historical development of criminalistics. Let's talk about the criminal investigation in the Philippines. In 1901, the Criminal Investigation Service or CIS, now known as CIDG, can trace its humble beginnings out of an urgent need for a unit that would handle investigation of major crimes, especially against national security, and at the same time free other Philippine constabulary units from this time-consuming and highly specialized of criminal investigation. Hence, this crime-fighting unit came into being with the creation of Investigation Section pursuant to Section 2 of Act No. 235 of the Philippine Commission enacted on October 3, 1901 or CIDG Manual 2000. Although in 1901 to 1919, during the American occupation, the Criminal Investigation Service was primarily organized out of the great necessity of the Philippine Constabulary in the investigation of crime. While the genesis of criminal investigation in the Manila Police Department, presently known as the Western Police District, took place in 1913. In 1920 to 1936, the CIS, then known as the Information Service, led to the successful investigation on the then Colorum Rebellion, Sacdalista movement, and the Asidillo Uprising. It also became successful in suppressing and investigating crimes, including those committed against the security of the state. The Division of Investigation was created by virtue of Commonwealth Act No. 181 during the reign of the late President Manuel L. Quezon. The DI, with 45 initial members, was organized by Thomas Dugan and Flaviano C. Guerrero, and this was patterned after the Federal Bureau of Investigation or FBI of United States of America. Then, in 1947, the Bureau of Investigation was reorganized by virtue of Republic Act No. 157, and the Department of Justice became its parent agency. RA 157 was later amended by Executive Order No. 94, renaming the BI to what is known as National Bureau of Investigation. So, the CIS was commissioned to gather intelligence and assume as the role main investigating outfit of the Philippine Constabulary in response to the resurgence of various criminal syndicates like the Black Shirt and the Kamlan Gang, coupled with the organization of various anti-government movements such as the Hukbalhak in 1950. So as the criminal investigation is developing, on September 5, 1994, the Criminal Investigation Service Command was renamed as Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or CIDG, following NAPOLCOM Resolution NR 92-37 with the motto, "We seek the truth." From its humble inception up to the way it's metamorphosed to being the premier arm of the PNP as the spirit and soul of the force.
So that's it. That's the history of the criminal investigation in the Philippines. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned from it. God bless.